Welcome to Cooking with Addie and Chloe.
If you have a sweet tooth like me, it's often hard to find desserts that are both healthy and delicious.
Today, we're going to make the best healthy cookie ever.
They're also dairy-free, gluten-free, and refined sugar-free.
Let's talk about the ingredients.
You will need 3 large eggs, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of almond butter, 3/4 cups of almond flour, 3/4 teaspoons of sea salt, 1.5 cups of coconut sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 3/4 cups of chopped walnuts, 3/4 cups of rolled oats, and 3/4 cups of dark chocolate pieces. Now that we have all our ingredients, it's time to start mixing them together.
The first step is to whisk your eggs.
Next, grab a spatula. Add in your vanilla and your almond butter. Mix the mixture until it's fully combined. Then stir in the almond flour, salt, baking soda, and coconut sugar. Then add in the crushed walnuts, the oats, and the chocolate chips.
And make sure that you distribute everything evenly.
Before you prepare your cookies, make sure to set your oven to 375 so that it can preheat.
When the cookies are ready to be rolled out, the texture of the dough should be soft but malleable.
The next step is to prepare your cookies. I've already lined 2 pans with parchment paper, and now I'm going to spray some non-stick spray onto them so that the cookies don't stick to the pan.
Now it's the fun part. It's time to shape the cookies. So first, get a ball of dough and put it on the cookie sheet. And press it down to make a classic cookie shape.
Make sure that the cookies are evenly spaced apart. One batch should make around 12 to 15 cookies depending on how big your cookies are.
Now it's baking time.
Set the timer from 10 to 12 minutes depending on how brown you want it.
The cookies are done. Let's take it out.
Once your cookies are out of the oven, let them sit for 10 minutes. Look how gorgeous they are.
This looks and smells so good. I can't wait to try it.
Plus, they're dairy-free, gluten-free, and refined sugar-free, so everything in here is good for you.
Well, what are you waiting for? Let's dig in.
It's really good.
It's just the perfect texture and it just tastes so crunchy.
Thanks for cooking with us. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.